Hi, welcome to Equipment Rental Management Software. In this training video, we will see how mobile application work with the cloud and web portal system. So that way, a rental agency can have their person utilize the mobile and tablet devices, go in the remote fields, go meet the customer at site, and write the rental contracts there, or create the proposal right where you meet your customer and give you the speed of business. So what we are looking in this is when you have your Android application and you have the subscription, you can always go to equipmentrentalmanager.com, and once you type that URL in any browser, Chrome, IE, you would see this screen coming. Now I assume you already have the Android application and you click on the launch portal. That is where we see this system coming up. So once you log into the web portal, this would be the initial view where you have 8 different tiles and each one of them have a specific business process in that. The dashboard gets you to latest rental agreement that you write to your customer. So for example, you have 20 people working in the rental agency and some of them go to the customer side or meet the customer in person, can write the rental contract, get the customer signature, or write a rental proposal. And as soon they submit that record, within few seconds, it is available here. So you can have your manpower free from the desktops. It's a fully working system on the mobile application, and everything gets synced back to the backend system. So in the dashboard, if we go, this is where we get the new rental agreements. Now this is the one I just created a minute back. I will create one more new record while we speak. So I'll go ahead and open the Android application on my Samsung Galaxy phone. So it's just gonna take a moment for us. And I'm going inside the agreements, writing the place of use as Houston, return date of my rental, and this new record I'm going to submit. So I'm submitting this rental agreement for a motor grader. I go ahead and put the necessary numbers in that including delivery charges, the mode of rental, and then I generate a rental agreement. So now I'm going to submit this record. Okay, so I made that rental contract using my smartphone, and I can do it virtually anywhere. When we submit that back, we see a new motor grader record coming. Now when we click this record, we have the full details available. Let's say pickup date, that's for today, and the return date, the mode of pickup, it's a customer pickup, and all the machinery details in what stage we are giving to the customer, along with the other terms and conditions. And there we can download the full rental agreement. So it's a signed PDF document with the customer. There we have all the terms of conditions with the customer signature. And on the top, we have option to have your company logo and the details of your organization and the high level details of the machinery. So this process makes fairly simple to have your mobile workforce working with the customer, and have those documents readily available for the back office to work out. Now, as we see the rental agreements coming here, similarly, we could have the proposals delivered to your customers. This is another record I just did where we have the rental proposal delivered to a customer, and they can be delivered to any place. They all are available inside the proposals. Here we can have the invoicing done to customer with all the details. Now, pickup and delivery are two most valuable components in this, where we can have all the details available on a specific customer, when it is expected to be delivered, and the terms of that. The delivery would let us know what is the current status of the delivery, and likewise return and incident. Now, the most valuable feature here is these documents. So at the time of returns, if the equipment has any issues, then the prior given condition, the person at the receiving or at the return can always create an incident report, and that report can have the detailed pictures of any damage or any scratches or anything done to the machinery or to the equipment, and they can have that report submitted. Now, the valuable part is that they can always capture the customer signature at the time of return. So it's a validated document, and both parties agree that okay, there is a incident, and they record it on the system. So it's a very nice documentation available that you can generate over the mobile device, take the pictures, videos, and attach it as part of that incident report, and it is available here. Now the client, of course, we can maintain all the client details. We can set a credit limit for him. So at the time of rental, the person whoever is giving rental, they can always make sure that they remain in that range. Or if it is beyond that, they need some special approvals, basic safeguards. And in the equipment center, we maintain the entire detail of the equipment. So on this side, we have all the details. In the middle layer, we have basic detailing that what would be the costing for this rental equipment. And one interesting feature is the status. That is very helpful. So when the machine is available, which is available for rental, when a new schedule is set for pickup or delivery, it is set schedule for pickup. When the customer or the machine is delivered to the customer, the equipment status sent to rented to customer. And at the return, if the person observe any repairs and service, he could mark it, and the maintenance person can send it in the maintenance status. So it is not available for the rental. So the person who is making the bookings can always check that if he has those machines available to rental or they are in any different states, then they are not available for the rental. So this helps in the planning part. And here these numbers, they are very helpful in terms of setting the prices. So when they write the rental agreement, they will automatically pop up, and user could just sign without worrying about the calculations. So this was a small brief overview. On the analytics part, the system provides the overall statics at how the business is doing, the monthly numbers, and in general agreements. So that is all. I hope you enjoy it. Let us know if you have any feedback. Thank you and have a good day.